Keep your car's interior looking spotless with the right cleaning tool. Best Spot Cleaner for car detailing helps remove stains, dirt, and spills quickly, delivering professional-level results while saving time and effort on every cleanup. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shark UltraCyclone Spot Cleaner. The Shark UltraCyclone Spot Cleaner is an excellent option for anyone looking for a lightweight and portable cleaning solution. Designed for quick cleanups, it handles car interiors, pet hair, furniture, and everyday household messes with ease. Its cordless design eliminates the hassle of managing power cords, allowing you to move freely from room to room or clean inside your vehicle without restrictions. The cleaner uses 2 powerful cyclonic air streams to generate strong suction while helping maintain filter and motor performance over time. Weighing only 2.8 pounds, it is easy to carry, maneuver, and store, making it ideal for apartments, small homes, and busy households. The included premium cleaning tools increase its versatility, allowing users to tackle upholstery, crevices, and hard-to-reach spaces. Overall, it offers a convenient combination of portability, power, and everyday cleaning performance. Number 2. Vacmaster VFB 511H Spot Cleaner. The Vacmaster VFB 511H Spot Cleaner is built for users who need strong suction and extended cleaning reach in a compact package. Powered by a Beast Series high-performance motor delivering 320 air watts and 20 kilopascals of suction, it can handle demanding cleaning tasks around the home, garage, workshop, or vehicle. Its high-efficiency cartridge filter and dust bag system capture fine dust particles as small as 1 micron, helping create a cleaner environment during use. The combination of a long power cord and premium kink-resistant hose provides up to 25 feet of cleaning reach, reducing the need to constantly switch outlets. With 9 included accessories, users can easily clean tight corners, vehicle interiors, workbenches, and larger surfaces. Convenient onboard storage keeps the hose, cord, and accessories organized. This model stands out as a powerful and practical solution for a wide variety of cleaning jobs. Number 3. ArmorAll SCC 301 Spot Cleaner. The ArmorAll SCC 301 Spot Cleaner is designed to simplify the cleanup of wet and dry messes while offering excellent versatility for vehicle and home use. Its powerful 64-inch water lift suction helps remove spills, dirt, pet messes, and debris quickly and efficiently. The dual tank design separates clean and dirty water, helping maintain effective cleaning performance while making refilling and emptying straightforward. A combined cleaning reach of 21 feet, thanks to its long hose and power cord, allows users to move around vehicles, furniture, and rooms without frequent repositioning. The included stain tool and carpet cleaning solution make it particularly useful for removing stubborn spots from upholstery and carpets. One of its most practical features is the hose cleaning tool, which helps rinse the hose after use and reduces maintenance time. It's a dependable choice for tackling everyday messes with ease. Number 4. Shark EveryMess 3-in-1 Spot Cleaner. The Shark EveryMess 3-in-1 Spot Cleaner offers impressive versatility by combining wet vacuuming, dry vacuuming, and stain removal into one portable machine. This all-in-one design makes it suitable for cleaning carpets, upholstery, countertops, tile floors, vehicle interiors, and many other surfaces around the home. Its powerful suction effectively captures dry debris, liquid spills, and mixed messes, helping users handle a variety of cleaning challenges without switching tools. The stain removal system is particularly effective on tough spots caused by pets, food, dirt, wine, and other household accidents. A standout feature is the dual-activated Stain Force spray technology, which automatically mixes 2 cleaning solutions at the point of contact for enhanced stain-fighting performance. Whether cleaning fresh spills or older stains, the machine delivers strong results while remaining easy to transport and use. It's a versatile solution for busy households and car owners alike. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN CMX EVBE 17040 Spot Cleaner. The CRAFTSMAN CMX EVBE17040 Spot Cleaner combines strong suction power with a compact design, making it a practical tool for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and workshop users. Equipped with a 5.0 peak horsepower motor, it delivers performance comparable to larger shop vacuums while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. Its versatile design allows it to handle dust, debris, and cleanup tasks in garages, workshops, renovation sites, and around the home. The included hose, utility nozzle, car nozzle, dusting brush, and extension wands provide flexibility for cleaning different surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. An integrated storage caddy keeps accessories organized and readily available, reducing clutter and improving convenience. The large power switch is simple to operate even when wearing work gloves. With compatibility for genuine CRAFTSMAN filters and dust bags, this cleaner offers reliable long-term performance and dependable cleaning power for various applications. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.